travel agent offered us a free trip to Mars. Something about self-isolation. We said we'd go because we needed a break, and besides, we'd never been to Mars before. It was on one of these new fandangled starships, latest of the line. Comfortable seats and everything, but what they didn't say was that you needed to wear the seatbelt once they attained warp speed. I didn't hear that announcement because I was at the toilet at the time, because I was dying to go. Anyway, ship went to light speed. I didn't have the seatbelt on. When I realised and tried to put my seatbelt on, it wasn't working properly, and something really odd and unusual happened to me. And now, this is what I've... Look at me. I complained. Bloody hell, yes, I did complain. And they said they'd fix it eventually, but it might take a while. Some centuries, they said. Something to do with the space-time continuum. I don't really know what they were talking about, because I was never that good at mathematics anyway. I wouldn't mind getting back to normal, because I want to do things like eat stuff and drink Merlot wine, or just walk down the road for me one a day. That's if I ever get back to Earth. Bloody, this, I'll tell you what, this is very inconvenient. It's also rather strange. But one good thing is, on this ship, they've got plenty of bog roll. So